Building muscle isn't just about hitting the gym hard. It's about a balanced approach that combines the right exercises with the right diet. In this video, we're going to break down the essentials of building muscle fast by focusing on two critical areas: diet and compound exercises. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your gains, this guide is for you. First up, let's talk about diet, the foundation of any muscle building journey. What you eat has a direct impact on how your muscles repair and grow after a workout. Let's dive into the key elements. Nutrient timing. Nutrient timing is crucial, especially around your workouts. Pre-workout, focus on a mix of protein and carbohydrates to fuel your muscles. Post-workout, prioritize protein to kickstart muscle repair and recovery. Think of it like feeding your muscles. An example of a pre-workout meal could be a banana with a scoop of whey protein, providing quick carbs and essential amino acids. Post-workout, aim for something like grilled chicken with sweet potatoes or a protein shake with some fruit. Now let's break down the macronutrients. Protein is the building block of muscle. Aim for about 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight each day. Don't forget about carbs. They provide the energy your muscles need during workouts by replenishing the carbohydrates stored in your muscles. Opt for complex carbs like oats, brown rice, and sweet potatoes. Healthy fats are also essential for hormone production, including testosterone, which plays a key role in muscle growth. Incorporate sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Caloric surplus. To build muscle, you need to eat in a caloric surplus. Consume more calories than you burn. However, this doesn't mean just eating anything in sight. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide the right balance of protein, carbs, and fats. For example, if you're burning 2,500 calories a day, aim to consume about 2,700 to 3,000 calories to support muscle growth. Now let's move on to compound exercises, the powerhouse movements that will help you build muscle fast. Unlike isolation exercises, compound movements work multiple muscle groups at once, allowing you to lift heavier and trigger more muscle growth. Why compound movements, you might ask? Compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses are incredibly efficient. They engage multiple joints and muscle groups, which leads to greater overall strength and muscle mass. For example, a squat not only works your quads but also targets your glutes, hamstrings, and core. By incorporating these movements into your routine, you can maximize your muscle growth. Here are some key compound movement exercises. Squats. Focus on the lower body and core. Ensure your form is on point by keeping your back straight and pushing through your heels. Deadlifts. One of the best exercises for building total body strength. Keep the bar close to your body and engage your core throughout the lift. Bench press. Targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Keep your feet flat on the ground and lower the bar slowly for better muscle engagement. Pull-ups. Excellent for back and biceps. Rows and overhead press are other great options. To build muscle fast, it's not just about diet or exercise, it's about combining the two effectively. Let's talk about how they work together. Think of your body like a car. Food is your fuel, and exercise is the road you drive on. Without the right fuel, you won't get far. And without driving, the fuel won't do you any good. Eating right ensures you have the energy and nutrients to power through your workouts, while consistent training signals your body to use those nutrients to build muscle. One key principle in training is progressive overload, gradually increasing the weight, reps, or intensity of your workouts. This continuous challenge forces your muscles to adapt and grow. For example, if you're benching 185 pounds for 8 reps today, try adding 5 pounds next week and aim for the same number of reps. This consistent increase is what drives muscle growth. By focusing on nutrient-rich foods, eating in a caloric surplus, and incorporating compound exercises with proper form, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it, and the results will come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth videos on fitness and nutrition. And if you have any questions or want to see specific topics covered, drop a comment below.